Welcome to CapCut Visual Magic, the ultimate UI guide to video image processing and effects. This is your bright, fun, and highly visual step-by-step dashboard addition to mastering the craft. Your visual processing toolkit. Let's dive into exactly where to click to master every single tool in your complete visual processing toolkit. We will cover color and light, including basic adjustments, HSL, curves, and color match. We'll explore style and flair with video effects, filters, custom LUTs, transitions, body effects, and speed ramps. For shape and space, we look at overlays, PIP, shape masks, and keyframe animation. Finally, we'll harness AI magic with Smart Cutout, Seedream 4.5, Chroma Key, and Nano Banana Pro. Instant atmosphere with filters and LUTs. To get instant atmosphere, follow this action path. Step 1, click Filters. Step 2, drag your chosen filter, like the retro filter, to the timeline. Step 3, stretch the filter block to cover your desired duration. Step 4, adjust the strength slider. Here it's set to 75% to see the visual result. Pro tip, for a Hollywood look, go to Adjust, then LUTs, and click Import to upload custom.cube files. Master the light. Basic adjustments. To master the light, click your timeline clip, go to the top right panel, select Adjust, then Basic. You can let AI instantly balance your exposure and contrast by checking Auto Adjust. Sculpt the light with precision exposure sliders, brightness at +10, contrast at -5, highlights at +15, and shadows at +0. Control color intensity and warm/cool balance using saturation and temperature. Always turn on Protect Skin Tone to heavily edit background colors without turning human faces unnaturally orange. Pro color grading, HSL, curves, and color match. Take it further with Pro color grading. Use HSL hue, saturation, lightness to isolate and edit specific colors without affecting the rest of the image. Use curves to create a cinematic S-curve for rich, professional contrast. With color match, simply upload a reference photo and let AI instantly copy its color grading onto your target clip. Adding visual flair, video versus body effects. Add flair by distinguishing between your effects. Video effects are global and alter the entire frame. Find them via Effects, then Video Effects. Body effects are AI-tracked and apply only to the human subject. Find them via Effects, then Body Effects. Customization step. Click the Applied Effect block on the timeline, then use the right panel to tweak speed, size, and intensity. Layering reality, picture-in-picture, PIP. Layer your reality with picture-in-picture, PIP. Import. Add 2 videos to your media pool. Stack. Drag the overlay video directly above the main background video on the timeline. Resize. Grab the corner handles in the player to shrink the overlay. Reposition. Drag the small video to your preferred corner. Shape your scene, the Mask tool. The Mask tool hides specific parts of a top layer to reveal what is underneath. 1. Select the top clip on your timeline. 2. Go to the top right panel, Video, then Mask 3. Choose a shape like circle, rectangle, or split. 4. Resize and rotate using on-screen controls. 5. The magic step. Increase the feather slider to soften the edges for a seamless, invisible blend. Erasing backgrounds cutout tools. Easily erase backgrounds using 2 methods. For Chroma Key, green screen, use the color picker, select the green, and slide intensity and shadow until the green vanishes. Alternatively, use AI Smart Cutout for videos with no green screen. Simply go to Video, Cutout, and check Auto Cutout. AI instantly identifies the human and erases the background. Dynamic motion, speed, and keyframes. Create dynamic motion in 2 parts. First, for smooth slow motion, lower the speed multiplier, like 0.5x, check Smooth Slow-Mo, and use optical flow so AI generates missing frames to prevent stuttering. Second, for keyframe animation, like a zoom, move the playhead to the start time and click the diamond icon next to scale. Then, move the playhead to the end time and increase the scale slider. A second diamond appears, and the video animates smoothly between points. Seamless blending, transitions. For seamless blending, ensure 2 clips are next to each other. Go to the top left menu and click Transitions. Hover over any thumbnail for a live preview. Drag and drop the transition exactly on the line between clips. Finally, click the transition box and slide the duration, e.g. 1.5s, to make the blend faster or slower. Next, general processing, AI enhancements. Harness next general processing. Auto Reframe automatically tracks the subject to crop horizontal 16:9 video into vertical 9:16. Image enhancement instantly removes noise and sharpens low-quality footage. With Seedream 4.5 and Nano Banana Pro, use text prompts like "transform to cyberpunk" to completely change the style while maintaining perfect consistency. Stacking the Magic, the Pro workflow. Master the Pro workflow by stacking layers. The base, main background video with basic adjustments and color match. The subject, overlay video with auto cutout applied and keyframes to animate movement. The vibe, a global filter spanning the entire timeline. The polish, video effects like glitches and transitions between cuts. Pro tip, turn off the main track magnet and linkage icons for total freedom when stacking. Lock in the quality export settings. Lock in your quality by clicking Export. Set resolution to 4K, frame rate to 60 FPS, format to MP4, codecs to H264, and bitrate to recommended 100. Watermark check. Always delete the black ending CapCut logo clip before exporting. Your visual masterpiece awaits. Your visual masterpiece awaits. You now hold the exact blueprint to color, mask, cut, and stylize your footage like a seasoned pro. From basic light adjustments to AI-powered auto cutouts, the creator's dashboard is entirely in your control. Go make some magic.